What does it mean to build a better business? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about building a better business. You might be thinking, what's so special about that? Well, the truth is, many small businesses struggle to stay afloat, and it's often because they don't have a clear plan in place. By the end of this video, you'll know the 3 key areas to focus on when building a better business: strategy, systems, and scalability. Setting a clear strategy. A good strategy is like having a map for your business. It helps you decide where you want to go and how you're going to get there. To set a clear strategy, start by identifying your unique value proposition. What makes your product or service different from everyone else's? Ask yourself questions like, who's my ideal customer? What problems do they face? How can I solve those problems? Creating efficient systems. Once you have a clear strategy in place, it's time to create systems that will help you execute on it. Systems are like the underlying structure of your business. They make everything run smoothly and efficiently. Think about tasks like bookkeeping, customer service, or marketing. Can you automate any of these tasks using technology? Can you delegate them to team members? Scalability. Scalability is all about being able to grow your business without sacrificing quality or losing control. To achieve scalability, think about how you can streamline processes and simplify operations. Consider investing in software that helps with tasks like project management, time tracking, or website maintenance. Measuring progress. Now that we've covered the 3 key areas, let's talk about measuring progress. How do you know if your business is really improving? Use metrics like revenue growth, customer satisfaction ratings, or website traffic to track your progress over time. Adapting and iterating. Finally, remember that building a better business is an ongoing process. You'll need to adapt to changing market conditions, new technologies, and shifting customer needs. Stay flexible and be willing to try new approaches when what you're doing isn't working. Putting it all together in summary, building a better business involves setting a clear strategy, creating efficient systems, achieving scalability. By focusing on these 3 areas, you'll set yourself up for long-term success and be able to adapt to whatever challenges come your way. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more business tips. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of the biggest challenges you're facing with your own business?